Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, unable to sleep, because your mind refuses to slow down? A constant stream of thoughts keeps appearing, one after another, creating pressure, stress, and mental exhaustion. It feels like your brain is stuck in an endless loop, replaying situations that already happened or imagining things that have not even occurred yet. A quick question for you. Are you someone who often imagines the worst possible outcomes in every situation? Whenever you are about to start something new, do you feel a sudden wave of fear, doubt, or hesitation? Or perhaps you constantly worry about what other people might think about you, your actions, or your decisions. If your answer is yes, then you are not alone. Millions of people experience the same mental struggle every single day. This pattern is known as overthinking, and if it is not controlled, it can slowly steal your peace of mind, confidence, and happiness. In this video, we will explore a powerful and practical way to step out of your thoughts, calm your mind, and bring yourself back to inner peace. Let's begin this journey together. The first and most important thing you must understand is this. Overthinking does not solve problems. It only creates more stress, confusion, and emotional burden. Yes, planning is important. Yes, analyzing situations is useful. But when planning turns into over-planning and thinking turns into overanalyzing, your mind becomes trapped. Instead of moving forward, you stay stuck in the same mental cycle. Overthinking drains your energy. It distracts you from action. It makes simple decisions feel complicated. And most importantly, it prevents you from experiencing peace in the present moment. So the first step is awareness. You need to recognize when your thinking has gone too far. The moment you notice yourself repeating the same thoughts again and again, gently remind yourself, this is not helping me anymore. Awareness is the doorway to freedom. Now, let's move to something truly powerful. Mindfulness. Mindfulness means being fully present in the current moment without judgment. In Buddhist teachings, this is a deeply important practice. It helps calm the mind and brings clarity where there is confusion. One of the most effective techniques is mindfulness of breathing, also known as anapanasati. It simply means observing your natural breath, inhaling and exhaling with full attention. When you focus on your breath, something beautiful happens. Your scattered thoughts begin to slow down. Instead of thinking about hundreds of things, your attention gently narrows to just one simple process, breathing in and breathing out. This shift may seem small, but it has a powerful impact on your mind. Whenever you notice yourself overthinking, do this simple practice. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Repeat this 3 times. Do not rush. Do not force anything. Just observe your breath naturally. You can also bring awareness to your body. Ask yourself simple questions. How am I sitting right now? What sensations can I feel in my body? Are my shoulders relaxed or tense? By observing your present experience, you gently pull your mind away from unnecessary thoughts and bring it back to reality. Another method is the body scan technique. Slowly move your attention from your head down to your feet, noticing sensations without judgment. This grounds your awareness in the present moment. When your mind is in the present, it cannot simultaneously stay lost in overthinking. There is a deep truth you need to understand. If you are sad, your mind is usually trapped in the past. If you are anxious, your mind is stuck in the future. But if you are peaceful, your mind is living in the present. The present moment is the only place where real life exists. Most of our suffering comes from not being here fully. We either regret what happened before or worry about what might happen next. But life is always happening right now. So train yourself to return to the present again and again. Even if your mind wanders, gently bring it back without anger or frustration. This is not about controlling your thoughts. It is about observing them without attachment. One of the biggest causes of overthinking is the what if question. What if I fail? What if people judge me? What if something goes wrong? What if I make a mistake? These thoughts create imaginary fears that do not exist in reality. Your mind starts building negative future scenarios that may never happen. But you can change this pattern. Instead of asking negative what if questions, try asking positive ones. What if everything goes well? What if this turns out better than expected? What if I succeed beyond my imagination? There are always multiple possibilities in life. Not every outcome is negative. Your mind simply chooses which direction to focus on. So choose hope instead of fear. Another important truth is this: you do not need to be perfect. Many people overthink because they are afraid of making mistakes. But perfection is not the goal. Growth is. Say this to yourself: I may not be perfect, but I can always improve. I will do my best, learn from my experience, and move forward. Life is not about having complete control. It is about having courage to take the next step even when things are uncertain. When you release the pressure of perfection, your mind becomes lighter and freer. If you constantly overthink, worry, or get trapped in your thoughts, remember this: your mind is powerful, but it does not have to control you. You have the ability to observe your thoughts without becoming them. You have the ability to return to peace at any moment through awareness and mindfulness. Overthinking slowly destroys inner peace, but mindfulness restores it. So whenever you catch yourself overthinking, pause, breathe, and return to the present moment. Let go of unnecessary worries. Trust yourself more. Take action instead of staying stuck in thoughts. Life becomes much clearer when the mind becomes quiet. Final words. Thank you for watching this message. If this helped you in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel Wisdom Hub Buddha for more powerful teachings on mindfulness, mental clarity, and self-improvement. Remember, peace is not something you find outside. It is something you create within. Stay mindful, stay peaceful, and keep moving forward with awareness.